Welcome to Red Bull Time Lapse 2020. We're about to ride 25 hours in the rain.
It's not raining now.
It's not raining, hopefully it won't rain the whole time. We are doing a mix of laps of Goodwood Racing Circuit, which is behind us, and the 1982 Road Racing Circuit, which is also in Goodwood, just outside on the road. At the moment there's supercars on the circuit and we're not as quick. What are you doing?
Just looking over there.
This is also my 1000th video.
No, bro, that is incredible. Yeah, 1000th, that's a lot. There's only 165 days in the year, so you know, considering you've only been doing it for like 3-4 years, you've almost done one every day, so today's a big day.
You just said there's 165 days in the year.
There's 365 days in a year. I did it so that it sounds normal, because I sound, look, yeah, I haven't had much sleep, alright?
Goodwood hill climb. It's definitely a hill.
I looked at the profile and I thought, oh, it's kind of a long descent. What's this, 10Ks? And then you see this hill right here. Dangerous, mate, dangerous.
So what better way to celebrate 1000 videos by riding around a race circuit for 25 hours? The team is Lawrence, Kieran McBiscuit Man, and Manny Arthur, he's doing something serious over there. What's he doing?
He's getting people to take photos with him, of him.
What kind of photos?
Like, you know, essential ones.
It's tough out here, it's hard work. So Manny, what's the 25-hour time-lapse challenge you're talking about? Well, it's very simple. You get in teams of 4. You get teams of 4. Try to can ride the furthest in 25 hours. Okay, let's do it again. Sorry.
That's some good bloopers.
Yeah, I know, great bloopers. Ready to roll?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Energy, energy, energy.
So I look ready.
Inside the place.
Why is Manny so ready? You taking food with you?
Yeah, I'm taking a couple of brunch bars just in case I have a bit of a bonk.
That is pure.
Last time, when I did the Red Bull Time Lapse for the first time, I bonked whilst I was out on the circuit, and I literally phoned Ken. I was like, Ken, I'm not gonna make it. So
you phoned him while riding?
Well, yeah.
Can't be going that hard, man.
I can stop.
Stop. Half the course is uphill, half the course is downhill. So, have fun.
I've got a teammate.
Oh my goodness, so many.
Go on, mate, smash it.
He's not our team.
That's the secret guy. It's the secret guy we're going to get to pace in front of Lawrence.
Secret guy. But it actually wasn't as bad as I thought. It's a lot warmer than last year's time lapse.
Yeah.
Last year it rained from the get, and I think it was about 5-6 degrees. So I think I was actually a bit warm. But yeah, not too bad. 2 hours and 9 minutes. Only 22 and a bit hours, 3 hours to go. Is it lunchtime?
Yes and no.
It
Yes
definitely
and no.
is. 2:15, almost 2:30.
Let me go and have a hunt for what we can find.
So Lawrence has just gone out for his first stint. He's out for 2 hours, and then Manny's going to go out on the World Championship course, and then we switch to the Goodwood Motor Circuit. To quickly recap the rules, things are different this year because of COVID. That's why the whole of Red Bull Time Lapse is being held virtually. And then there's 800 4-man teams who are competing in the same event as us. Virtual miles still count, so they'll be doing it. So a lot of people, I think, will be vouching for the turbo, looking at the weather.
I just played a bit of a blinder there because it's just started raining.
Lawrence.
Sorry, Lawrence.
Check 1, 2, check 1, 2. Is that loud enough?
Do you know what you're doing?
No idea. Should I start emceeing?
Yeah.
No, I'm just gonna.
You know that Candy Foot song, right? That's the BCM thing.
How's BCN going, mate?
Mate, don't put me on the spot right now. I ain't gonna talk about BCN. It's going great. No, it's going really well, Francis. And you are one of the catalysts for why we are where we are today. So many people come over to me and ask him, hey, how do you hear about BCN? And they're like, oh, I saw Francis's video. And I'm like, good job, Francis, you're my man. We got 2 WhatsApp groups. So we got a conversational WhatsApp group that's got like over 100 people in it. And then we got a non-cover WhatsApp group that's got over 150 people in it. And our women's group's got like, you know, over 35 women in it. That was the objective all along, but it's one of those things where it's like it needed time to get to that point. And we are at a point where, you know, we've got like 17 ride captains that turn up on Saturday and they deliver sessions as well, just like I did for them. So it's just amazing to see that happen, to see people progress and then, you know, give back to the rest of the community.
You must be doing well because you're everywhere. Everywhere I look, as soon as I turn my phone on and go on social media, a picture of Manny comes up.
Mate.
You're on podcasts, YouTube channels, everywhere, mate. So the Red Bull event is a 4-man relay. We've got to make sure it's separate activities when it gets uploaded to Strava and there's no overlap. Any bits of overlapping activity will get penalised for. Hopefully we can keep the switch over time short. Hopefully we can keep the switch over time short.
Oh my God!
Our stints can be as long or as short as we want. So at the moment we've got it set up that me and Lawrence are doing 3 hours at a time on the track. These guys 2 hours. Just because we wanted to get some video editing done. But yeah, it's a fluid plan, things can change, and looking forward to going out if I ever recover from this car journey. So all kitted up for my stint. Lawrence is on time. He's going to be bang on 5 o'clock. It's going to be a quick switch over. Still not raining, and I've got 3 hours to do. Oh, he's so chill.
Yeah.
Is that nice?
I'm gonna stop this.
And then you can go! How was it?
Yeah, it was a bit wet.
Mate, come and dry off.
The wind's got better now.
Has it?
Who's going out now?
Manny's on the turbo.
You chose a sensible option. I can't even speak. My mouth is so cold.
Mate, chapeau. Well done. Honestly. Look at him, he's drenched from head to toe.
It was quite heavy, that rain, wasn't it?
Mate, some of it was like real bad.
Real bad.
No, getting blown off the bike.
Really?
Bad, yeah. But then it calmed down. And the wind's like changed direction, so the worst bit was on this finishing straight.
Right. Are you a bit jealous of this setup here?
Yes. I think for my second, if it's raining later,
Yes.
I'm going to do this.
Me too.
So I finished my shift, got my blanket, 3 hours, average of about 30 k's an hour. It was really, really windy out there, especially at the start. It died down a little bit at the end, but I was getting a little bit cold, just because I underdressed. And came back and found Manny doing this. You've been enjoying yourself?
Yeah, it's hard work, mate. It's hard work. Sweating buckets here. Can you see that?
sat on your phone.
On my phone. I'm in Aerotug right here, chasing man down.
Mate, there were worms.
What worms? What are you talking about?
There were worms on the road.
I think you
the
were
road.
hallucinating, bro.
I'm not.
Are you sure they weren't snakes? Looking out for
Oh, don't
snakies.
say that.
I know what they were. Bananas.